All right, guys, Anthony Williams here from Detroit, Michigan, guys. I've been doing videos about Doc Lett, the owner of Freeway to Success, which was one of the first ones that he started. But this company's been around, him and his opportunities and everything he's been doing has been around since 2009. And I've probably been a part of the opportunity since 2010. So never had a problem with cashing any of the checks that come from Doc Lett and Freeway and any other opportunities that you may get commission from. They come in a timely fashion. This is a straight up and honest family owned company. It's the reason why I still keep doing the videos, because of the opportunity. There's a lot of opportunities that come and go today, but Doc Lett has been around. Family owned business. Him and Lisa and everybody else down there in Alabama, they have been putting together continuous opportunities that have allowed people to make a nice amount of money. And that's the reason why we're doing this, is to be honest, is that we're here to make supplemental income to the point to where we don't have to get up and go to work every day and punch a clock. Some of us are full-time networkers. We are already doing that. Some of us aspire to be that. So let's get into this compensation plan, because I've been sponsoring some people into this conversation, into the opportunity, into the 2x2 for you. Of course, he has other ones, but this is the fastest, easiest moneymaker I believe Doc has. Just recently did a team call with Doc Lett with a new guy I just brought in, and he came in through doing the videos, guys. That's the reason why I said on the team call as well, keep doing your YouTube videos. It's free traffic. But it's a 2x2 cycler. And we're going to talk about the products. And basically, what I like to say that we have here at Freeway 2x2, it's like Groupon on steroids, because of what Doc has been involved in for so long with the discounts and the shavings and the shopping. Okay. First of all, you're going to get into phase one as a manager. Okay. So one-time $25 product purchase. And here's the thing, there's no upsells, unlike other opportunities that are similar. They use your commission to automatically upgrade you into but you have to click on that in your back office. When you click on commission, you need to select that, and then they'll send you a check for the rest, but they can automatically upgrade you. We're talking about phase one right now. $25 business, guys, on a 2x2 cycler. Cycle 6, you cycle. Okay. Automatic reentry. And it's weekly pay. No monthly auto ship fees. So you get a replicated website. You get your back office tracking technology. You're going to get your marketing materials, some that you can buy for extra marketing. You're going to get exclusive benefit packages. You also get access to the direct sales product. All right. And basically, Kiss Retail Goodbye is what he's offering at the manager spot. Once inside Kiss Retail Goodbye, you'll have access to some of the best coupons, promotional codes, sales, special on the internet, especially internet shopping as well. Thousands of online merchants, millions of products. So we know that online shopping is huge. It's getting there. Look at Amazon. I bought stock in Amazon because they're killing brick and mortar businesses. So that's the future. This is the reason why another thing, it's a hidden gem back here, because online shopping is growing, as we know, because malls are being shut down because people are ordering stuff online. So Doc was already in the forefront of this 10 years ago. Now, when you go to your mall today, all the stores inside the mall are closing because everybody's shopping online. Therefore, Walmart and Amazon are going to be top dogs here pretty soon, to where everybody is going to be ordering. So that's what this is talking about, guys. That's the whole byproduct. For every product purchase that you graduate into, once you come from the first stage, you get into the second phase. Okay, there's another product purchase. And what is that? You get into his travel packages that he has, exclusive benefits, discounts. Okay. Alabama wholesale travel. Okay. That's a part of the package number 2 as a general manager when you graduate up to that stage. And Blue Moon Travel Center too as well. That's in there. And automatic reentry. All of these are automatic reentries as well. So just because you graduate from phase one, that doesn't mean you stop making money in phase one. You're still cycling out $60, because that's the doorway to get into this opportunity, is to come in at phase one. Phase two, you're going to automatically get put back in. Phase three, when you graduate, we're talking about the products now, is a coffee shop for, news for you. Okay. Coffee shop news We'll keep up with the latest information on everything in health and nutrition. Start today. Most recent articles. Stay in the loop with new articles coming out every 30 minutes as your matrix builds and you are being re-entered back into the matrix. You get to phase 4. All right, you get your coffee cup news, executive edition. Okay, so there's a product back here for everything that you're getting into. So your direct sales products, as a member of 2x2 for you, you get your local savings for you, which is in your back office as well. There's a link to that website. You can also log in, and you can also get into all the rest of the savings opportunities that he has in here. And that's basically what it is. I call it Groupon on steroids. That's what 2x2, Doc Lett, Freeway to Success, all of his programs are all about education on internet marketing, how to be a better networker, and on saving money when it comes to retail shopping and offline shopping. So that's just a look at the products. But let's get into the compensation plan, because for $25, guys, for me here in Detroit, the taxes were a little different. So it was like $27 and some change for the initial sign up monies that I had to pay out of pocket. So $25, but again, it depends on where you live. So your tax may be different. Again, it was $27 for me, but the general banner is $25. That's what we're going to go with. There are no auto ships. That's the key thing by here, because you can always build a team and keep them when you don't have to pay an auto ship, especially if you're not making any money. That's the number one killer, is auto ships. No qualifications to earn. You pay the 25, guys, you're in for life. There's no upsells to get into the other levels from stage 1 to stage 4, because they use the commission that you earn and automatically upgrade you into those phases if you select that in your back office when you sign up. Okay, you have to do that. When you get into your back office, click on commission, and there's a tab. When I joined, the tab, I clicked on automatic reentry, use my commission. Okay, you get all your products, you get your live customer support, which they do have awesome. They're real personable. Doc will call you personally and give you team calls if you need help building your team. Him and Lisa can get you can get them on the phone when they're not doing corporate calls. They do team calls as well. So I was just on one for a guy that I just brought in. He brought his team, big team, in. So these videos, guys, are you got to get them out there, because you never know who's watching. All right. So here's how it works, guys, in a nutshell. Again, you're going to come in for $25. And that's all you need. There's no monthly fees. You're going to get paid every week. They send out your checks every time you cycle. You're going to get a check, okay, mailed out to you. So I've already took the liberties to help you make up your mind and pull the trigger for $25, 2x2 for you, okay? It's starting to get traction. It's not the flash and glitz of all the other opportunities out there, because Doc doesn't make them like that. You don't need that. What you need is some substance. So if you look at this, for $25, all you got to do, even if you sponsored all 6, okay, that's spillover. But we do want people to work, okay? You're going to cycle out. You brought in 6 people for $25, guys. That's $150 that's going into the compensation plan. 60 of that, they're going to pay you. 50 of that, they're going to upgrade you automatically into general manager, okay? And so the other monies is left going back into the compensation plan. All right. So now, but don't get this twisted. Just because you've been upgraded to the general manager spot, that doesn't mean this money stops. It continues. You're going to continue to cycle for life for $60 as long as the opportunity is around. You're going to continue to cycle. And the opportunity's been around. Doc Lett been doing business since 2009. We in 2020. Okay. So there it is. Now, again, you're going to take them same 6, or you're going to upgrade automatically. The plan is everybody follows. This is a follow me system. Everybody that you sponsored and filled up, or if they fill up, however they cycle, they want to follow the system. They're automatically going to upgrade into the general manager spot, because it's follow me through genealogy. What's that going to do for you? It's automatically going to cycle you out at $130 over and over and over and over again. $60 over and over and over and over again. So now you're going to graduate. You're going to go from general manager. They're going to take that $100 that it costs they're going to take that out of your 130 and they're going to put you in at regional manager. This is a one-time deal now. This is going to happen over and over again. But initially, it's going to happen for you coming out of your commission, right? So now you're going to cycle out at regional manager $250 over and over. Every time the team continues to grow and follows each other through the system the way it's set up to do. That's why you're set up to win here. Doc he's made a compensation plan that's giving you the tools that you need to succeed without coming out of extra money out of your pocket. And you all started with $25. Okay, that's it. Track your commissions in your back office. You can see when your checks were mailed. You can also see when you got upgraded. You can click on every different matrix position. Boom, shows you every different spot that you're at and how many people you personally sponsor, how many people they sponsor. So now once you graduate from regional manager, ladies and gentlemen, you're going to go to executive. And this is the top dog, okay? Because now you're talking about making $400 over and over and over again with the same people that you sponsor. They follow you. There's no pass ups here. You got to keep one, pass up two, pass up four, pass up your mom, pass up your dog, pass up your cat. We're not doing none of that here. You keep everybody is coded to you. You keep them. Now, the key is that you want to stay ahead of your team. All right. Typically, people are not going to come in and just buy out all 4 positions. Most folks ain't got that kind of money. Typically, people are going to come in. Even if they do, they're going to be sketchy and they're going to just come in at the entry level for 25. But make sure you got an understanding with your team that this is where we're all moving at the same pace together. Okay, so just keep track of that everybody's on the same level together. So now, for life, guys, you got 4 different compensation plans. So you're going to get paid out $60, $130 cycles, $250 cycles, and $400 cycles, all at the same time, with a max of 39 solid people. That's $840 continuous cycles. Now, if that happens every day, you're making $840 a day. If that happens every week, you're making $840 a week. If that happens every month, you're making $840 a month residually on a program that does not have any auto ships, monthly fees, and you pay one time to get in. And it's a shopping discount monster. It's like Groupon's on steroids, okay? Everything that Doc offers is all about savings. Those are the product. That's the byproduct. It's savings, news, information, and saving money, especially with the travel and the retail shopping online and offline. So, guys, with that being said, I don't have to make this a real long video, but the information that you need to sign up is in the link in the description of this video. If you're on YouTube, if you're on a web page that I created, so it's going to click on one of those banners or one of the prompt words. It's going to take you directly to your sign up page. So now let's take you to that sign up page. What's that sign up page going to look like? It's going to look like this. You're going to click on the Join Now tab to see my name referred by Anthony Williams. If you don't see that, then you need to give me a holler. Okay. 313-265-6206 and say, hey, or send me a text. But we're going to get you in there. But typically my YouTube videos and the links stay where they're supposed to be. And just simply go through and put in your information, pay your 25. But again, with tax, you're probably looking at 26, 27, maybe 28 bucks, depending on what city and state you live in. But for a good $25 program, after all of that in that PowerPoint, and this is available to you in your back office as well. If you want to log into your back office, you can log into your back office and click on your dashboard and click on Library Center. Okay. And once you click on Library Center, you can come over here and get all your little marketing materials. You got your flyers back here, things that you can use for offline marketing, new member material. Okay. Certified wiring instructions, solid trust pay, 2x2. You typically are not going to use those. You're going to be over here in your marketing section. And you can use the PowerPoint presentation, what I'm using right now. You can use that for your team, or if you want to do your own webinars or your own webinars or video trainings for your team, you can use that as well. So, and your commission, you want to click on commission when you first start, and you want to configure that to where it's putting you back into the matrix auto time. Okay. So click that link underneath this video, guys. Look forward to having you in the team. We're going to get involved with this thing, and Doc is going to be reaching out to you guys, those that sign up. You're always going to have support here at 2x2 for you. God bless. Deuces.